Hey everyone, it's Hillary from thebeautymarkgirls.com. Today I'm going to show you something a little bit different. I have this flat iron from Lioness, and I'm going to show you how to create some really fun, more messy kind of wave. Because I feel like I always get in this rut of always either curling or wrapping my hair or just wearing it straight, and this is kind of fun to mix it up. So you're going to take it into sections. I'm going to use a styling spray. This is by Kenra, Thermal Styling Spray. Spray each section. And then you're going to take your flat iron. You have about a 1.5 inch section. And you're going to clamp down, and then you kind of move it back and forth, rotating your wrist. And you want to do it pretty fast because you don't want that heat on there too long. So clamp it and then over exaggerate, going down this way, that way. And it's just going to be a really subtle kind of, I woke up and looked this good wave. So clamp and then just over exaggerate, going back and forth down the strand. And it kind of just gives it a little bit of that subtle, messy wave. So I just spray each section to help protect it from the heat and hold the style. And I love this because it just makes the hair look like it has a lot of texture, because my natural hair is just kind of stick straight. And then you'll do the other side. And what I love most about doing this is it's really fast. Spray your section. And these flat irons are so great. I always have my clients asking me, hey, which flat iron should I try? And for years and years I used Chi. I've used some other brands that are specific for like Brazilian blowouts. This one is totally my favorite. It gets really hot, but you can adjust the heat if you don't want it so hot. And it really just glides through the hair. I feel like all of my Chi irons have kind of fizzled out after a year, and it's looking like this one's gonna last a long time. Okay, I'm going to do my front piece just one more time because I want a little bit more of a wave. And the more you over exaggerate those turns, the wavier it's going to be. Okay. Then I'm just going to use some spray clay by Big Sexy Hair. And that just gives it a little bit more texture. And it's a great, fun new way to do your hair with the flat iron. Thank you for watching.